Hi guys, welcome to our segment. Today we're gonna do the this combination is called broken U. Ready position. Gonna start with a curving strike, top of the head, and then follow through to the ribs. Curving strike, top of the head, follow through, and then ready position. So this is called the broken U. So you're gonna go, stay away from your opponent, slide in, down, top of the head, with thick, rib shot, top of the head, with thick. And then you have the reverse broken U. You're gonna start from backhand strike, plancha or horizontal strike, power strike, then top of the head, plancha, which means power strike, horizontal. So you're gonna go reverse broken U, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regular broken X, broken U. Reverse broken U. So just remember the start. The broken U starts with the forehand. And then you get the reverse broken U, backhand is start. So sideways, you can go 2, 4. Yeah. Top of the head, ribs. Top of the head, ribs. Top of the head. Go. So this is the broken U. Broken U. Right forehand, top of the head. And then you get the reverse broken U. Start with the backhand first. Okay. I'm going to show you the proper way to execute the broken U. Just like this is the third combination that we use to teach our students. Alright, very effective, quick, precise. So from here, get ready position. You're gonna go bring it to the forehand position. Top of the head, try to strike with the first 2 inches of the stick. Rib shot. Top of the head, backhand, rib shot. Alright, so it looks like this. Broken U. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have a target like this, it helps, really helps your accuracy if you have one. But if not, you can just do it from the air. Like it will also help you. But if you have the bob, of course, much better. So you see, like if you're not paying attention when you strike, you're gonna miss. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it helps having a dummy to hit. It really forces you to be accurate. So this is the broken U. 1, 2, 4. Top of the head, ribs. Top of the head, ribs. Alright? So now we're gonna do the reverse broken U. So from here, I'm going to start up my strike from the backhand position. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So backhand, top of the head, ribs. Then you're going to go forehand. And then forehand again. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, try to hit in the same exact target area. Develops your accuracy. remember when you spar, your target is going to be moving. It's not going to be as easy. So with this one, it helps you a little bit. But the target, when you start sparring, is moving. Try not to get hit as well. But for beginners, perfect way to practice. Stationary target first. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to have the first one, that 4 shot. First one, this is the third combination from the Doce para system. Go 1, 2, 3. Then reverse, broken you,